In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check staking APY on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see the current estimated annual percentage yield for supported assets, and what key details can affect your rewards. First, a quick refresher. APY, or annual percentage yield, is an estimate of the rewards you could earn over a year by staking a particular cryptocurrency. It's not guaranteed and can change over time based on network conditions and other factors. Coinbase shows this clearly so you can make an informed decision before you stake. To find it, start by signing into your Coinbase account. You can do this on a web browser or through the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head to the My Assets tab. This is your portfolio view, and it lists all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. Plus, it's a convenient place to search for assets you're interested in, even if you don't own them yet. Next, select the specific asset you want to check. For example, tap or click on Ethereum if that's the one you're considering. This opens the asset's detail page where you'll see its price chart, market information, and other relevant stats. Now scroll down until you find the staking section. Right there, you'll see the current estimated APY for that asset. This is the number to focus on. Remember, it's an estimate and may adjust periodically, so it's a good idea to check it right before you make any decisions. If you need the Coinbase website link or want to download the app, I've placed the relevant link right at the top of the description to make it easy to get started. Before you act on what you see, keep two important details in mind. First, there's an instant unstaking fee of 1% of the total transaction amount if you choose to unstake instantly. That fee reduces what you receive back, so factor it into your planning. Second, some assets have lockup periods. For example, certain networks may require a brief waiting period before you start earning rewards, and a cooldown period when you choose to unstake. During that cooldown, you won't earn rewards. These timelines are set by the network and can vary by asset, so always read the notes shown on the asset staking section. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to My Assets, open the assets detail page and scroll to staking to see the current estimated APY. Check back regularly and review the fee and timing details so you're never surprised. Thanks for watching.